Hi everybody, and welcome to this new video on the DC2N5 low cost. As I've made a few changes to the interface, I thought to make an update video on those changes. So this is the DC2N5 low cost, and as you can see the setup is quite simple. You just connect a power supply, have a micro SD card on this side, connected to a C2N dataset. Hopefully have a nice collection of tapes to preserve, backup, and here is the initial menu of DC2N5 low cost. I'm not quite sure the menu entries would be extremely readable in this video, but basically the first one is dump from C2N, and we have a few push buttons on this side. So if I select that, I'm asked about which machine the contents of the tape are for. In this case, Commodore 64, and here we go. Sampling to dump 0020, press play on tape. So that's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, the text is slightly bigger than the previous video. And there you go, the signal is coming through. This is the CBM ROM loader part, and as you can see, the file name for this tape, which is self-form, has been detected and is being shown on the interface, just as a further confirmation of the fact that the dumping process is progressing nicely and that the signal is readable, so that it can be decoded for these file name extraction purposes. And I won't be going through the whole tape, just an update video anyway. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye!